Tenya is about to pass one so I need this Yamonyoku. Woman for himself, I to a berry, ama, nanui, and it is Yamonyoku, one more J. Honorable Mavis Walkus Wabatampa, and Nunesabe, and your Flaconacas,
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice writing on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, now you'll be notified. Kasoa for money, part 1 and 2. Say, Kasem chair now say, won't tia, and I say, you know better. Who's so ba, kwan obe face. Ever since Kasoa for I ye a wutu senior east for Omuko Kotoa Bama NDC for Naa Koyor, whatever the name is. Kasoa has not known peace. Kasoa has not known development until today. AyEka say. No peace, no development. Virtually as though MP biye ni Kasoa hono. Na ade ekoso ntokwa enye easy. And obia or follow each channel we biano, you realize say over some time now, almost every week, Kasoa is in the news. We are reporting on Kasoa. A very, very serious thing that is going on. Ewo Kasoa hono. Development bian kosubium. Na adi ekoso no say constituency executives no. Oma for me gang. Ena MP no so aye Naa Koyor no. Ono so one gang. And instead say ombeye united. Now they will fight for the constituency no. They are rather fighting for their own interest. They say constituency executives no my press conference against MP no. Adenya omusi MP no as it is no. She is no longer. She has sidelined all the constituency executives.
Yeah, one more dear more fellas. Naa Koyor okuno na diaba. Etina kama for the so Kasoa de say no. One more two about Tampa Mavis Hawa Koomson no. Naa Koyor nije. I want this Amonyoko na so ante sa. Wodru Kasoa ni this Amonyoko mu a ne nya gro. Eje demu hurupuka na ehwa mu a. Emra so be ni owo no mo ene ne party executives na dia boso yi. Na ene empanyifo yi a wom na ye party executives. Adema ni this Amonyoko ewa wutu senya is Kasoa ene chese one more branch executives ni bi eyade se one more ye nsentwofo hyamu nsentwofo hyamu a wo ye no enye fita na no one ma hye ene wutu se wo ma jejeje wo kobri ni wo birihie chese one more kwa akon ye ni abre ko na baba nim krata Facebook ne so na wo baba bu wani akonma na wo baba hwe videos ni bi a ye de agu wono mo some party aba power na ne wo manyamra hye dwani ewo wono mo bra wo ma brebebrebe na wonyamra hye dwani na afei ombe nsentwofo hyamu a wo mu hyefufuo na mum enkokon ni koja na bobo wono ho na tum sadena no de mpa tuba nash ene sam kofi paitemu ye ho adwuma wo de tu anim krata Facebook ne so na wababa ho ani so ade ye ni abre ko twombo ye na ne sen panyini ye wono na woto enkra anase mpo ye nkra to bo tena be de kire edema ene de si amanyoko eye wowura Kobi Rosen ene wokasa ye ede ema eye party executives no na ne ya saponyina no ochemu de atese eya pa se wiase di opotoma na fe no wonti so wodi bomu na nka wo nyina atefefefe ya wo mdo wo maho de wo no magya no wo nim de nyansa sika ebibia abo ayese party ne beko akona nimu na party ne nyanto opefra ampa wo mdo ya so na bem am wato aba ayimra hye badwane Felix Naa Koyor okuno da woman ama se ye no wababa yemra hye badwane ene di si aban so na aba isasalansi dwontaman mama ne woso entina kwa mu wenu kwasa dodode ne mfaso bia ya ewo wono mu e wasa party no executives ni binya na wom tumi de boa grassroots no wom saka na so ase mama Felix Naa Koyor obedi MPW no wade bibia ata na ni ase gibia boso a wom pese wo be magaba ene wode ananafo na donkofo na bewura party nim ene wom sa chemu di ata se de etwa musum kura ne se mama Felix Naa Koyor no ekunu ye frenu Yusufu ene wom kiremu a chese Yusufu no wono na kire mama Naa Koyor de wonye ewo party nim ne party mu mpanyifo beka de wafa nya dwuma eti ne fa hanum sei na wafa ye sei na waye eno ene ntansa wodo yi a wo mo de bono na de yenkotie ene ensedwofo hyamu na wo mo frɛ no owura Kobi Rosen na wo ye deputy communication
She's not taking any advice whatsoever from the constituency executives. And she's just only receiving advice from one Yusuf. Now, Yusuf no, Yusuf no happens to be the husband of the MP. It is say the MP no need them fie or yeah constituency meetings or person or yeah bibi or constituency name or kobisa na ekunu. Oh baby, how are you doing? Baby, I want this person to be given an appointment. What do you think about it, baby? Then baby will be like, no, don't give it to that guy. I don't like that guy. Then she be, okay, baby, that person won't receive the appointment again. Do you have anybody you want me to give the appointment to? Then baby will be like, no. Okay, let's go for somebody from another region and give it to that person. Then she'll be like, okay, baby, whatever you say is what I will do. Constituency executives nowhere to be found.
Communications officer, Edmund this I want you to say he said yeah, wakano.
On fire and crane for my Yura, John Romani Mahama, Nonti. The one party now, young the executives have been sidelined. And people Fajina on fire and come or the Fajin. Or should then Nanukun will be out about one. Whether to affect us or not, they don't care. Two, young that one prize system there, Nikun no name or champion, you receive. Actually, Facebook wall, you must try the name or na. It's very non-seating. I have a phone ye. O Sunday. I shall can go for a tribune. No one can room. No, I say in them. Na partner bazaar. And you know, is not correct to find. You didn't be a the Donald, you never see a mammy, and sister. The Panasam said in bay. Oh man, the Crown your Juma as MP. Your trouble might be seer. Your trouble you couldn't argue the constituency. You have a boy now. Don't die the same man. No one answer Fadrin. We don't need him in our constituency affairs. You see, it's not branch of the constituency. Only party card will have. But nothing Uncle Tower party or this can be anywhere. It can be in the US and NDC, no problem. But Kasoa says constituency or your hand here and a wife or your MP.
Eti why aye wora kwabi wesen why deputy communications officer demand this yabonyo ko no watch say enei wamudu obi abedim ra hye badwa na ne kunu be kire de wonye na wonfa party executives nsem nya hwede won wompa no ho no mo na branch executives bi a ne wamusu twahye mu awose dwofo hye mu no ase e kasa bi no watch say de keka kone de sampanyifo wom won nasena chairman general ori ase du ketia ne pamfo won mo amem no maka bi a wa hwe ya 2028 MPP for Basaja Konani de free woman say Muzanza de Eka kono ano odin.
Rami titi so. Boni bibi. Okuru a ye fe no isifu no. Aye papa bi a wana dwe say obetiti e fa hodie so. And ye ka kire de say enya ade e betwe de amane da.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye gina ho me name sister ye gina ha. Ya na ye bu ama one coordinator me one coordinator. Ye bu nkotoje awa Kasoa overhead ase. Ana Yesu ye ba Kasoa ma ya che so moto abama His Excellency. Ani ye ma me Naa Koyor. Ye wo ba constituency ye say branch bi ni wa ye lusu ye. So amna no mo me hye ne ma mu ma ye. Na asamo ye ato ye. Honorable Phyllis Naa Koyor okuno. What's the MP? The MP now. Jai constituency the Fatoma constituency chairman. Chairman Steve for Sejare. Menkuta ni kuno ekrono. Yabesa Naa Koyor. Yes, ya tu amama ni kunu. Receive. Ondinan chain. Receive dinan chain. Naa Koyor. Kokobon ye kwama.
Eti we a party.
So they are organizing press conferences. They are planning demonstrations all against the MP. We will keep monitoring Kasoa. Whatever goes on there, we will surely bring to you. This has been the political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.